Hallie, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, what do you see? What's out there? Huh? I know you don't have to go potty. You just went potty. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? What's out there? What is out there? I'm just talking to her. Oh, I don't know what you're doing. Hey, come here. Can you come here? Come here, Hallie. Come here. All I see is the glow in your eye. Yeah. Oh, where are you going now? You coming? She's coming over, but oh, well, hi, Hallie. What are you looking for? Oh, Mom. Okay. Well, I don't know what you're looking for. There. Sorry about that, camera people. There goes Hallie. I don't know where Hallie's going now, though. Whoops. Oh, sorry about that. Where's she going? Where's she going? What are you doing, Hallie? What are you doing, Hallie?
She's probably saying it's nice outside.
She's chasing. Okay.